Hi. So if you're having the GPU render error in Premiere Pro, I'm just gonna upload some footage just to show you. I'm probably not gonna get this error, but it usually has a time code. So you'll get a time code. Let's just say I have multiple clips in here. When you get that error, you get a certain time code. If you go to that time code in your timeline, you can identify which clip is the problem, and you can try to either delete that clip or replace it with something else. But you can't usually do that because you probably need that clip. And then what you need to do is you go to File. When you go to Export, well, I don't have a sequence anymore, but let's just put something in here. We'll do an out. You go to Export Media, and here under Video, and if you click More, there is Performance and there is Hardware Encoding. Right now, on Hardware Encoding, it is using your GPU. And when you set it to Software Encoding, it's gonna use your CPU, and your GPU is not going to render anything. It's gonna take a lot more time for your video to render, but maybe it fixes the error. So, this is the first option. So, for the next tip, you can go to File, you can go to Project Settings, and you can go to General. In the General, you will see the renderer. Right now, the renderer is on my GPU, and we can put it on Mercury Playback Engine software only. That does pretty much the same thing that you did with the video encoder, but this does it directly in your project, and your videos will not be getting rendered by your GPU in any way, shape, or form. And the last thing you can do is try to reinstall Premiere or try to reboot your computer or reboot Premiere. I would do it. I would try to reboot Premiere, reboot my computer, and then completely reinstall Premiere Pro. Hope this helps, and good luck.